to everyone. I am here to discuss about the introduction of community and society, and this lesson is for class 6. Okay, let's go to know about the community. Before to go to the community one, first of all to know about the family one. Then as we all know, we live in a family. Some live in a big family and some live in a small family. In family there are grandparents, parents, father, mother, sister, daughter, etc. Then when a family live in a particular place, that is called a neighborhood. When many neighborhood live in a particular place or a specific geographical area and helping and cooperating with each other, it is called a community. In other words also we can also define a community. Community is a group of individual living together, helping and cooperating with each other. Then you may also arise the question, then why we need to live in a community? Then obviously we must live in a community. Community is very important. As we know, then all the human beings are social animals. Then we cannot live alone. Then we need a help from each other to satisfy our needs. One. Then to satisfy our needs, one desire, one, we must live in a community. If we live in a community, one, then we make our life easier and comfortable. Then in a community one, we can also share and sorrow the sorrow and happiness with each other. Then in community one, then we also feel more protective and secure because there are a number of people's one. And then as well as in community we can preserve our interests and rights. When one person demand one, in that time government doesn't listen one. When the same demand is asked by the community one, in that time government has to take action towards that demands one. So then the community is very important to us or for our daily life. In community also we can develop the literature, language, thought is and culture one. Now let's go to the society one. Then the society also group of people's one. Then we can also say society is a group of different communities living together, helping and cooperating with each other to achieve a common goal. See, society is a group of different communities living together, helping and cooperating with each other to achieve a common goal. Here there is common goal. What is common goal? That common goal means then the mutual understanding, security is. See, then the society can be formed on the different basis. One, then if a society is formed on the basis of religion, one, that is called religious society. See, in community there is a more likeliness. In society one, there is likeliness as well as differences. Look, society is the mix-up of different races, religion, caste, creed, etc. Then the one thing to remember, then not only there is a society of human beings, there is also the society of the animals. They also live in a group. Then they stay roam in a group one. There is one differences between human society society and animal society. Human society always stay in a same caste one, same races one, whereas then the human society is the mix up of, that means the multiple of races. Okay, there are some similarities and differences between community and society. Then the see community. Then the community is a limited and narrow. Then the society is the wide. Then the community is limited within a geographical boundary, and then the society can be made up of the geographical boundary. And next one, then the in community there is a feeling of we, and there is lacking in the society one. And some of the similarities between community and society are, that is the feeling of unity, that is the accountability, and next one is the mutual understanding, security, etc. are the similarities between community and society. Then we need community and society. And this was for today. In the next we will discuss on another class. Then here are some assignments for you. What is community? And what is society? And what advantages we get living in a community? Please students, do all these exercise at home and stay safe and stay at home. Thank you.